to learn how to propagate green onions. All you need for today's video is a small glass jar with some water in it and some green onions. The water should be filled up pretty low, and all you have to do is get the onions and stick them in the water. You want to make sure that they're standing upright. You don't want them to be lying down. And if they do lie down, you can kind of use bigger ones to make some lean on each other. After placing your green onions in your jar, all you have to do is stick it in a windowsill.